Welcome back to my channel where I explore strategy for personal growth and success. Today we are diving into art of goal achievement. Setting goal is one thing, but actually achieving them requires a well thought out plan and consistent action. So if you are ready to turn your goals into reality, let's get started. Number 1, define your goals. Before you can start to work towards your goals, you have to define or clarify what they are. Take some time to reflect on what you truly want to accomplish. Your goals should be specific, measurable, manageable, and also relevant and time-bound. Whether it's starting a business, getting fit, or learning a new skill, clarity is the key. Number 2, break it down. Once you have identified your goals, break them down into smaller, more manageable tasks. This makes the process less overwhelming and allows your process more effectively. Create a timeline or action plan outline. Each step you need to take to reach your ultimate objective. Number 3, stay consistent. Consistency is the secret ingredient to success. Make a commitment to work on your goals every single day, even just for a few minutes. Remember, it's a small daily actions that leads to big results over time. Number 4, embrace failure. Failure is inevitable on the journey to success, but it's how you respond to it that matters most. Instead of letting setbacks discourage you, use them as learning opportunities. Analyze what they went wrong. Adjust your approach if necessary, and keep moving forward with resilience and determination. Number 5, stay motivated. Maintaining motivation can be challenging, especially when you're faced with obstacles or distraction. Find ways to stay inspired and focused on your goals. This could involve your visualizing your success, surrounding yourself with supportive people, and reward yourself for reaching milestones along the way. Achieving your goals requires just more wishful thinking. It takes dedication, perseverance, and a strategic approach. By defining your goals, break them down into smaller or manageable tasks, embrace failure, and stay motivated, you can turn your aspiration into achievements. Remember, success is not a destination, but it's a journey. So enjoy the process and celebrate every milestone along the way. Hey, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep striving for greatness.